Welcome back, guys, to Just So Bored Again. Today we're going to be doing a review on a Husqvarna pressure washer. This is a PW 2000. You can see here, sorry I'm trying not to block the light, but I guess I am. Either way. So this is a PW 2000, like I said. It's a 2000 max PSI. It is 1.2 gallons per minute, so not too bad. And it comes with 3 different nozzles, which are down here. We have the, I believe it's 25, the 15, we have a turbo, and a soap. And I'll go through each one here in a minute. So quick overview of the unit. Right here is where you hook up your hose for the wand. Now be very careful, and I'm going to bring this close. If you look at these two, one's slightly bigger than the other, okay? The black, as you can see here, actually goes to the wand, and the red here goes to the tube. They do not interchange, so that's why they color coded them. So pretty important, but you can't really make a mistake. This is an electric pressure washer, and I probably should have mentioned that to begin with. So it does come with a circuit interrupter, and I'll bring it up here in a picture. It's a 120 volt. You have your on-off switch there. Over here on the right, you have your soap. You just fill it up right here. On this side, I already hooked up the hose for the water. Just screw it on. Right here, down here, there's a tube for the soap feeder out of the container. You got your wheels. You got your suitcase handle to drag it around. And that's pretty much it. And there is your wand. It comes in 2 pieces. It attaches on there. Here's what the unit looks like put away, or I guess ready to put away. So you have your spot for a wand where it sits, disconnected hoses. I put the hose up here, and that way it drips, as you can see. You have an area for your wire right here. You have an area here for your wand where it sits. And there you go, compact little package. Easy, simple to drag around with your wheels, ready to go. But it's a pretty good unit. I've used it a few times already, as you can see by how dirty it is. But I'll show you the nozzles real quick, how they spray, and talk about it a little more. So let me show you the spray on the turbo. So that's the turbo. Let's go to the next one. All right, guys, here's the next nozzle. This is the 15. All right, guys, here is the 25 nozzle. This final nozzle is actually the soap nozzle. Here we go. There are all the suds. Overall, a great little unit. I forgot to mention one thing. It does have a safety on the wand, so you have to push either way. So you can go left or righty, depending what hand, and then you pull the trigger, or if not, you will not get any water out of it. But like I said, overall, a great little unit. We actually got this at Costco. It's $189.99. It actually was $30 off, so we got it for $159.99 plus tax. Check it out on their website, but I really don't think you can get anything that'll beat the price, the brand, and overall the functionality of it. I've used it to clean the car, I used it to clean the driveway, and it's worked great. So I recommend it. Well worth a little bit of money. I mean, you can get something at Harbor Freight or, you know, on Amazon, but I don't think you'll get the quality out of it either. Not like this. I've had other units and they've lasted me a year or two. So far I had this one, I know 6 months or so, but no issues, no complaints yet. So maybe I'll try to do another review here in a year or two down the road, see how well it's held up. But hope you guys like this. It was a quick review. I recommend it. Go out and get it, and we'll catch you next time we're Just a Board Again. Make another video. Later.